Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. 2022. We're going to start this year with a popular one, Ben & Jerry's Chunky Monkey. What is Chunky Monkey? It's banana ice cream with walnuts and chocolate-y banana shapes. Chocolate-y, not chocolate. Banana shapes. So if you want to see how we make it, let's just get into it. First thing you're going to need to do is take your bananas, and if they're not super ripe, like we couldn't wait any longer than we had already to make this ice cream. So what you can do is cheat and put them in the oven. You can roast them for 10-15 minutes at 175°C, whatever that is in Fahrenheit. And once they're ready, take them out of the oven, let them cool down a little bit, and then get onto your ice cream base. This is a nice simple one actually. It's a little bit of a take on Dana Cree's base, but just a little bit different. So put all your ingredients, apart from the bananas, in a pan and bring it up to temperature. You want to get this just about to touch a boil and then leave it there for a couple of minutes. Once it's at that point, you can then turn the heat off and transfer it into a container. Take your roasted bananas and scoop out the flesh and put that in your ice cream base. You're going to steep these in there. You are going to take them out before you churn, by the way. Once all the bananas are in, put it in the fridge for a minimum of 24 hours. After that long old 24 hours, take the mix out of the fridge and then strain off the bananas. So you're not going to get any leftovers, you're not going to crush them, you're not going to put them in like loads of other recipes tell you to do. This is the way to get true banana flavoured ice cream without the ice crystals in it. Then put it in your ice cream machine to churn as you would do normally. Whilst your ice cream is churning, you're going to deal with your chocolate shapes. Now we've got a silicone mould here that has some banana shapes in there, but as I'm not particularly proud, I'm going to use all the fruit shapes that are also available. So we're going to have chocolate bananas, chocolate apples, chocolate pineapples, chocolate cherries, you name it, it's all going to go in here. Melt your chocolate in a microwave or over a bain-marie, whatever suits you, and then fill up your silicone mould and put it in the freezer. Once they're hard, shouldn't take long, 10 minutes or so, take it out of the freezer and pop them out and put them in a container. Store that in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Finally, the last part is just to chop up some walnuts. You can buy pre-chopped walnuts or you just buy whole, however you want to do it. Just chop them up to about 1 centimetre in size. Any smaller they'll disappear, any bigger and they'll just be a whole mouthful of walnut. Again, put it in a container, put that aside and we're going to use them in a minute. Now that you've got all your bits ready, your ice cream is churned, take it out and start loading up your tub. Put the ice cream and then a layer of walnuts and your chocolate shapes, stir it in nicely and fill that tub up until it's completely full. Put it in the freezer for a few hours. Here we go, straight out the freezer. Look at that tub, Chunky Monkey. Good one to start the year off, I think. Yeah, and I've just noticed I've got a purple halo above my head. Anyway, so let's get some of this scooped up and see what it looks like. There we go, huge, nice big round scoop of banana ice cream, walnuts and chocolate shapes. Now, I do not like banana ice cream, one of those flavours that I just can't eat. So, to try this one, we're gonna bring Stacey, my wife, on. So, say hello everybody.
Now, I love my banana ice cream, so I am looking forward to tasting this. Let's dig in. And when Nick told me that he was steeping the bananas and then taking the flesh out and not keeping the bananas in the ice cream, I thought you wouldn't get any banana flavour. Honestly, I was like, that's never going to work. That's really good. Honestly, the banana flavour comes across so well, it's so strong, and it's not overpowered by the walnuts and the chocolate. Actually, there's a big bit of chocolate there. I'm going to try this. Chocolate adds a lovely dimension. Oh, lovely dark chocolate as well. It cuts through the banana, but it doesn't overpower it, so I'm really surprised. That is really good ice cream. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you and Nick will see you in his Cookie Monster lounge pants next week.